Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the safe way to close your Lendingclub account when you no longer need it. Let's get into it. The first step is to review your account status. So before closing, you got to make sure that all pending transactions have cleared, also that any loan payments or scheduled transfers are complete, and also that your account balance is at zero. Next is to download important records. You can log into your Lendingclub app or the website and download statements of or tax documents that you may need later on. Once the account is closed, online access may be restricted and you're going to lose these records. So be sure to download them and store them externally. Next step is to contact login support. So to close your account, just reach out via the in-app chat, or you can use customer service phone lines, or by simply sending a secured message from your dashboard. A representative will confirm your identity and process your closure request. Next step is to confirm account closure. Now, after approval, you're going to get a confirmation email verifying that your account has indeed been closed, and be sure to keep this for your records. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.